Hello everyone. This month in the Random Voice Vision, I'm going to talk about the home interiors, customization and standardization. Recently there has been a lot of talk in the industry about there is no standardization in the home interiors when it comes to kitchens or wardrobes in India. So I would like to clarify that customization is a norm in our country, which is having such a large population. Every region has its own taste, has its own requirement, as it needs its own colors. So customization becomes a norm, so that we can't complain about it, we have to live with it. But within the customization, how do we bring down the choices that we offer to customers? Because most of us offer wide variety of choices in terms of colors, wide variety of options to the consumers. So we can bring down the number of choices that we offer to colors, limit the number of colors that we offer, and limit the number of options that we have on the interior segment, so that customization can be made more easier by adopting right software for designing and right manufacturing system. We can produce customized home interiors in a very short time. If anyone needs to understand more on this, you can contact me directly on this. Thank you.